Okay. Hey, I want to talk to you about something, okay? Now, I don't mind wearing a mask. I mean, being an international traveler, when in Rome, you got to do, you know, as the Romans do, whatever the Romans do over there. And I'm in Thailand, so I don't have to do what the Romans are doing. But, okay, I don't mind wearing a mask. That's not what I want to talk about right now. What I want to talk about is, have you ever tried to walk in the rain with a mask on? Now, in some circles, they call that
musim gugur di Asia.
Now, in some circles, they call that waterboarding, okay? Now, I don't know about here in Thailand, but I know where it's supposed to be illegal where I'm from in good old USA. However, it's not easy to walk in the rain with a mask on. Just gotta let you guys know that. Okay, I'm out of here. Talk to you later on the next segment, whatever. Bye. Okay, well, here I am about 20 miles northwest of downtown Bangkok. Well, if you really want to think that there is a true downtown Bangkok. So I'm just going ahead and taking a walk down the road into some residential neighborhoods, which I like to walk around and get a real good feel for the city and what the country's really about. People. Oh, and here we go. I got an interesting fact about 7-Eleven I've been meaning to share with you. Okay. Thailand is about 79 million people. United States is 320 million. So you kind of figure that there would be more 7-Elevens in the United States than in Thailand. However, in Thailand there is over 13,000 7-Elevens. In the United States, there's only, as of 2020, there's only 9,200. So, yeah, wow, what a big difference. But if you think that's crazy, let me just lay one more country on you. Japan has over 6,000 7-Elevens. Isn't that freaking wild? Sight smells, oh, they're cooking, everyone's just getting off of work. Well, it is a Saturday, but still, it's kind of busy and getting close to supper time. So, all the stalls are starting to cook up some yummy. People just drive right by with on their bikes, motorbikes, cars. Hey, I want 2 of those and 3 of that. That's drive-through. Works for. But just in case any of y'all wanted to know where we were at, this is where we're at. So yeah, so get on your Google Maps and check that one out. That's where we're at. Go ahead, follow me. Come on now, follow me. Yeah, I'll go up this road a couple of blocks and then kind of zigzag up. There's a klong up I don't know, about a half a mile from here, and I want to see. Klong is like a canal, and a lot of the canals are unfortunately very polluted, very dirty. Yeah, I want to see if that one's any cleaner. I do like traveling on the klongs. It's a lot of fun. I mean, come on, boats are fun. Sawadee Club. Thank you.
What is your name?
Oh, you have good English, Pasa English.
Pasa English.
My,
My name.
Pamchu Kelly. Oops, yeah. Yeah. So you're having fun running around, play. So, yeah, Kelly.
Gary, my name is Five.
Five?
Yeah.
Okay. Where you learn Pasa English?
This night.
Nít nói. Pasa Thai nít nói. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye.
Well, I made it up to the next Kwong. And this one is much cleaner than the one in front of my condo. But actually there is an interesting reason why. I heard, actually I will tell you, I heard this on the Tiger. It's an internet news channel about Thailand and the news in Thailand. Yeah, at least they're stopping it and they can pick it up or do whatever, but yeah, it gets pretty bad. But it's something about the newer people. I don't know, it was difficult to try to understand what she was talking about in a way that the older people that lived along the Klongs, because I mean Bangkok was known as Venice of the East. The turn of the century or something like that, there was more, not this century, last century, 1900s, there was more canals or klongs than there was streets, and everybody kind of did all their business along that, and they used it to bathe in, to cook with, and I mean just all kinds of stuff. And then when they started getting in piped in water, the new generation just didn't appreciate it as much or something. I don't know. It's beyond me, but hey, I'm just reporting the facts. Yep, just the facts, ma'am. You know, it just dawned on me. You might want to know why, like, hey, why isn't there no, like, movement in this water? There's very little movement, you know, like, it's not like a babbling brook or a river or anything. But that is because Bangkok is about just a couple of feet above sea level. Very flat around this area. And there's just no movement. Majority of this water comes from the Phaya Chao, which is the main river, coming through Bangkok, and 2 or 3 littler subsidiaries. Okay, I just turned off of the kind of main road there. And this guy didn't like that I turned off of this road. And some more dogs barking at me. We are at the crossroads. I think I gotta go down one more. So we will go down one more because that one's a dead end down that way. And sometimes along these houses you'll have small shops in front of them. I don't see many of them here, but okay, let's see if these guys are gonna bark at me. Hey, you guys gonna bark at me? No? Huh? Oh, good boy, good boy. Okay, yeah, here's some of the townhouses that is very typical. Sometimes a little bit larger, another floor to them. And a whole bunch of kids playing again. You gotta love the kids playing. Sawadee Club. Okie doke. Well, I want to turn. Oh, I don't think the street goes through. Hello. Sometimes this is what you have to do on some of these streets. Hopefully this one will hold me. If not, yeah, I'll have it on video. We'll go down this road for a while. See where we find this is going, heading back towards the condo. And that's the way I want to go. All right. Well, if I see anything really cool, I will share it with you. Oh, nice little restaurant right there. Of course, not much of it would be in English or any other language for that matter other than Thai. And no photos. That's what you need. That's what you see around the tourist areas. Lots of photos. Hey, well, it works for me. You know, a thought just popped into my mind there because I'm very grateful for that because there's not much up there. Ooh, I'm glad I looked. Oh, heck yeah. Yeah, they wanted to earn some points. I think it's a damn video game. Anyways, thought came into my head about the 7-Elevens again. Yeah, I know. I'm kind of fixated on that. I guess I'm just getting hungry and I want a ham and cheese toasty. Hey, don't judge me. If you know, you know, okay? But anyways, what was I going to say about them? Oh, yeah. Yeah, there's so many of them around. At one time I was on Koh Samet, an island off of Rayong. It's the eastern side of Thailand. My second favorite island. It's a real small island. It looks like a T-bone bone. And at the top it's got the T and then it's got the long part. 2 miles wide at the top, 4 miles long. But up on the intersection there of the T, you have a little town area, shopping, not much, but you know, you can buy some stuff. You know, and I walked down the street and sure enough, not only did I see a 7-Eleven, I saw 2 7-Elevens across the street from each other. Now that was pretty wild. And please forgive me, I'm just learning how to use this rig. And people staring at me wondering, what the hell does this guy got? He's got a phone, he's got a camera, he's got a stick. At least I got my mask on. Oh, it's falling off. Okay, now this is kind of a nice little street here. We're getting a lot of restaurants and shops. You can see down there just regular people's houses with people's lives, as is along here too. I kind of like this idea of living above your motorcycle shop or whatever the heck it is. You never see that back in many countries. They will nickel and dime you to death on your permits and everything else. Well, like this guy right here has got himself looks like a muffler shop. And I would assume that he's living upstairs there. That helps with the commute, I guess. Okay, I've been here before, not this neighborhood, but I'm just trying to make a walkie-talkie, man. Don't judge me. How many of you walk around and have everybody stare at you while you're trying to make a walkie-talkie? And yeah. Anyways, I'm glad you're here, though. I really am. Thank you. Hello there, buddy. Hey, hey, hey. No, you're supposed to be smelling my butt. Yeah, you're a really nice dog. I ain't gonna touch you though. Yeah, well, thanks for coming over and saying hi to me. Thank you very much. Sawadee. Have a good day. Oh, you want to follow me now, huh? Yeah. Okie dokie. There. Between the kids and the dogs and the cats that don't bark at you, I think we're doing all right.